heck is this guy and what's he doing on this channel? Well, I'll share you. It's me, Doggmatic. And the first time ever on my channel, you're seeing my face. Now, if you watched my video previously that I posted, I have a new logo, new banners, new intro, new outro. So decided to make some changes. And figure it's been 5 years now. Time to make the channel a little bit better, right? In the past 5 years, I've always been holding the camera in my hand. So you're only seeing bits and pieces of me stopping and starting at each section. So now I want to try to give you the whole experience, right? Now I may fast forward some parts there so you can see me working, but I want to kind of make this channel better for my viewers. You know, all my subscribers, I appreciate all the support, but I want to grow the brand. So first off, we start my wife and I, proper English please, started a cooking channel. So my wife used to be a vegan baker, and she has a large family. We had three big strong boys, so they ate a lot because they were in the gym. I don't use the gym. I break out in sweats when I get close to a gym, so I try to stay away. But we have awesome food that we've made over the years. I'm gonna start doing my smoking videos on that channel as well. So you'll see my wife host most of it, as she's got all the experience and she's the good cook and good baker. I'll do the outside stuff like the smoker and the barbecue and stuff like that. So down here you'll see the channel's called Spice of Life Kitchen. Please give that a follow and like and subscribe there. We posted just a short video there as she's kind of new to it, so she's just gonna take some time for her to get comfortable with doing this, but we're gonna do a whole introductory video for that one. Also, I'm going to have one called Doggmatic Gardens now here below as well. You'll see there, you can like and subscribe. I don't have any videos there, but I didn't want to start that channel without doing trial and error stuff first. You know, seeing what kind of irrigation systems I want to use. So if I go on vacation, go back and forth to my cottage, my vegetables don't dry out. Now, I'm no expert gardener by any means. There's some great garden channels, you know, Am I Gardener, the Next Level Gardener, stuff like that. There's a bunch of great, and then you know what, they're professionals, right? My videos are going to be just for your everyday gardener that you're like, I just want to plant something in my garden. I don't want to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars doing a garden. You know, I don't want to be doing calculations of phosphorus and nitrogens and stuff like that. I just want to be able to grow my garden. And so you've come to the right person, because I'm not a chemist, or I'm not doing any of that stuff. So I'll have a garden where I'll rototill it. I'll throw some peat moss in there, I'll throw some compost in there, some nutrients in there, and that's it. I'm not taking samples and bringing it to labs to check. You know, some things I have worked and some things I have don't. So definitely check that channel out, as I'll start posting videos for that soon, because it's about time for me, February, March, to start putting some seeds. This last year was the first year I did not buy one plant. I grew everything in my basement and made a little grow room for all my plants, and everything I grew last year I sowed from seeds there, and that I've just bought at your local supermarket, right? So you get some bell peppers, save some of those seeds for the red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, or whatever, right? You got tomatoes, some of those you like, depends on the type of tomatoes, like save some of those seeds, right? We like English cucumbers, so those seeds won't work. So I don't recommend that. Try to buy some seeds online for English. But enough with that. You can. I'll give all those videos on that channel there. So I just wanted to show you guys the changes that are going to come to the Doggmatic brand, right? So the Doggmatic DIY, this channel here, Doggmatic Gardens and Spice of Life Kitchen. If you haven't already followed me on my social medias here, uh, I'll post these ones. So your Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter. So I do have an Etsy shop. You can find me there. Right now, I'm just posting digital stuff of plans of things I make, like my deck chairs at Adirondack Muskoka chairs. I have my plans up there. My cornhole boards, I have plans there as well. But also some silhouette digital downloads. So the deer silhouettes and the moose silhouettes and the bear silhouettes, stuff like that, that I've used some of those to make some of my wood wall art. So I was going to turn this into a two-part video. First part was me talking about the brand, right? The Doggmatic Gardens and the Spice of Life Kitchen and my social medias and stuff like that, and then move on to 5 projects to make with scrap wood. But then when I got done the video, it was 28 minutes long. Well, nobody's going to sit on my channel for 28 minutes and listen to me talk, right? So I'm going to just stop this video as just letting you know I'm going to try to be better for you guys, right? I'm going to try to give you a better overall experience on how I do things, instead of me holding the camera with my hand all the time and then popping in and out when I gone through steps. I want to give you the whole experience so you can see how I've done it. Now, little tidbits there, I might just speed it up because nobody wants to see me use a scroll saw for 10 minutes, right? So I'll speed that up. Nobody wants to see me do jigsaw or this. So certain pieces I'll just speed up. So, make the video manageable time, right? But I want to make sure that you see every step of what I do. Now, I'm not a professional woodworker, as you know, watching my videos, but I have fun. I love this stuff. Just seeing how the things come together, right? So, that clock, this clock here. See, here's a picture of it above my fireplace at the cottage. That was easy. I just posted that video here. You can see that video up there. My wood wall art, right? The gather sign and the bear and the deer stuff. That's fun. I like doing that. Even the little Christmas tree candle holders and stuff like that. That's all fun, and I like doing that. Maybe it's because TV nowadays just isn't what it used to be. Back in the day, they don't make shows like Seinfeld and that anymore. It's so maybe that's it. It's just I'm like, I need a hobby. I'm not gonna want to work for the rest of my life. What am I gonna do once I'm retired? Well, maybe I'll just live in my in my garage and do stuff in the shop all day long, to pass the time. So I want to make this channel better for you guys. So give you a better experience. If you guys are just a starting out woodworker or just a hobby woodworker like I am, and seeing that, hey, I can do this stuff too. So that's what I'm here. So I want to give you a better experience on that. So you'll see my logo on the bottom there. If you're not a subscriber, click that thing, become a subscriber, hit the bell. You'll be notified when I post another video. And definitely leave comments, in my videos. I'll try to get back to you on the comment side. I want to know what you want to see in my channel. If you want me to make something, out of scrap wood, throw it in the comment section, right? Let me know. I'll definitely give any projects a try that are within reason. I'm not gonna make a coffee table or a dining room table out of fence boards, but definitely open to uh, doing a bunch of stuff, you know, trying different things. Matthew Peach, his channel's, you know, inspiring because he has lots of great ideas, and I'm gonna do similar stuff with him going forward as well. Like they have Pottery Barn and stuff like that in the States. Well, we don't have Pottery Barn here in Canada, but we do have similar things, and I'm definitely going to go and look in our similar stores and see the cost of certain things and show you how easy it is for you guys to make it, even just as a hobbyist. Um, you know, my wife loves the stuff I make now, so it's not like I can even sell half this stuff because my wife wants me to put it up somewhere, right? So, uh, but you know what? It's great. You know, definitely a lot cheaper than going to the store and buying it, right? So, when you look on Etsy, you look on some of these shops, the amount it costs for something that's very simple for us to build, right? Um, why not? You know, and have a little fun doing it, right? So remember, just leave those comments. Let me know what you want me to build. And I hope you love the new direction of the channel. And we'll talk to you later.